Hello fellow beast hunters and welcome to my next video. And we're going to be unboxing the QF Eagle Bolt Action Blaster. And as you can see, it's just a cheap knockoff of Nerf. And we have our knife. Let's begin. Okay, there we go. There's two, I believe. And here is the gun. Let's talk about the gun. Feels nice. It's a nice heavy. It's very active. It's kind of a good sidearm. Excuse my sweat. I'm in the garage. It's hot as balls today. Let's get the clip. And here we have the clip. Very standard clip. Nothing special about it. Moving on. And how do I get the bullets? That's how. Oh, shit. Now, we're done with this, so each bullet, you have to load them like this, I believe so. And they are like this, I believe. Yes. So, let's load it completely. And then we can test it. Also, if you have not, subscribe now. Your support is helpful. And here we go. And I believe you load it like this. And let's and there we go. So now I'm gonna pick up the camera and we're gonna see how it shoots. Holy shit, that is powerful. I got this Get Revenge, so, and when you reload it, it does this. Drops the bullet, like a real sniper. So although, it's a good dart bullet. Like, comment, subscribe for more unboxing. It's already loaded. And enjoy.